Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to install Autochartist on MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in Autochartist. Once done, just hit on enter and this page will load. Now what we're going to do here is just basically select MetaTrader plugin, click on this one, and it will lead us to autochartist.com/MetaTrader_en. Now what we're going to do in here is just basically download the plugin right here at the left pane, click on it, and wait for the website to load. As you can see here, a download page will pop up. Just go ahead and click on start the download. Yours might be different. You might be able to see your download right here at the top right. Just click on it and start the download, or it will just start automatically. Alright, as you can see here, it's done. I'm going to open up the folder. I'm going to minimize the website. Right here, Autochartist MTEA setup. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on Yes and wait for the setup to open. Right here it opens now. What we're going to do is just select language. I'm just going to leave it as is, hit on Next and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to the next button again. Accept the privacy policy disclaimers and conditions of the service. If you want to read through everything right here, just click on each hyperlink. Alright, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to hit on Next. In here it will ask, please select the MetaTrader platforms. As you can see here, I've installed MetaTrader 5, so I'm going to click on this tick box right here and hit on Next. Please note the MetaTrader terminal will be shut down before the Autochartist MetaTrader plugin files are installed. Just hit on Next and install. It says here, installing prerequisite files. This could take a few minutes. Just patiently wait. Alright, now it's done. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. I'm just going to do that. After that, just refresh your desktop. Alright, if not, if you want to, just go ahead and restart computer first. And then you're going to want to open MetaTrader 5. Open it up, double click. And as you can see here, let's go ahead and log in. Now when you go to the top left right here on Insert, Experts, Autochartist is here. Click on it. And as you can see, Autochartist V218 is ready for use. Go ahead over to Inputs if you want to. That's basically how you do it. Just hit on OK and you're good to go. Well, if this video helps, I'll see you in the next one.